Exterior wood columns are often subject to water damage because of the exposure to the elements, but replacing them can be a simple chore. We're tacking a piece of 2x6 onto one end of this 4x4, which we'll use to raise the beam that's resting on the column. A hydraulic jack beneath the 4x4 supplies the lifting power to raise the beam. For safety, it's important that the jack, post, and beam are aligned one directly over the other. With the weight lifted, the rotten column can be removed. The new column here is made from pressure-treated lumber and will rest on a metal plinth block, so we measure from the block to the beam to determine the length of the new column before cutting it. This hollow laminated column has a special factory sealant on each end. Since the sealant was cut off on one end, we'll make that the top and attach the plinth block to the end with the sealant. The new column goes into the same location as the old one. With the top in the corner, we move the bottom in and out and side to side until it's perfectly plumb. Then we slowly release the jack so the beam rests on the new column. A few pieces of trim cover the metal plinth block, and the whole thing gets a coat of primer and 2 coats of paint before it's done.